Hi class, welcome to JRN552, Media Law for Grad Students. My name is Molly Yanity. I'm going to be your professor for this summer. Quickly about myself, I've been at Quinnipiac now for 4 years. Before that, I was a sports writer, most of that time in Seattle. And I just want to let you know I was never sued, so you know you're coming from a good place in this class. A little bit about the makeup of this class. It is a single session course, meaning that we are going to be packing 14 weeks of content into 7 weeks. Thus, each weekly module will basically contain about 2 weeks worth of work. This means it's going to be time-consuming, challenging, and you're really going to have to be on the ball as far as time management goes. All right, we are going to have a book for the class. This is it. It's probably all superimposed for you too, but this is what it looks like. It's called Major Principles of Media Law, and here's the important part of this. You need to have the 2017 edition. Of course, that makes it more expensive, but the law in regards to media is changing so much because of the new implications that the digital platform has brought. So it's critical that you get the 2017 edition. You will find a picture and a link to the book within the syllabus folder. All right, next up, we are going to have, let me set that up there so I can read and still look you in the eye. Okay, so we've got our 7 mods. At the end of 3.5 weeks, you are going to have a midterm. It is worth 25% of your grade. I'm going to give you the prompt, and it's actually a list of questions, and you will have a few days to answer those and get them back to me. Then you will have a final, exact same format, worth 25% of the course. Another quarter of the class is going to be weekly case briefings. I'm going to provide you with a list of legal cases, and you are going to brief them for me. There will be an explanation of exactly how to do that, also found in the syllabus section of Blackboard. Finally, there will be a set of weekly questions in addition to the case briefings. What I will do is provide you with a question on the message boards. One question that will need to be answered by Thursday, another question that will need to be answered by Sunday. You all are required to answer these, but I want you to engage with each other to discuss the implications of what this question means in a practical setting. All right? Now, there are a handful of things that you need to know to be successful in this class. Those things, more than anything, we have to be in constant communication with each other, with your classmates. What this means is that when I send you an email, I need you to read it thoroughly and carefully. I will be posting lectures in Microsoft Word. I need you to read those carefully. And I also need you to read the assignments carefully. If you are just flashing through them and you miss a big detail, that will affect your grade negatively, and we don't want that to happen. That being said, when you email me, when you send me questions, I will read them thoroughly and I'll get back to you right away. Deadlines count, always in journalism. We will be going over the major protections of the First Amendment, a little bit of the history of the U.S. court system, and we're really going to spend less time on precedent and what has got us to, the foundations of libel, defenses to privacy, things like that. Less time on that and more time on how these cases actually affect you and how you need to deal with them in a practical fashion. All right, all that being said, if you need me, you can reach me via email, molly.yanity@qu.edu. You can also call me at any time. My phone number will be listed on the syllabus, and I want to have a very successful and smooth 7 weeks, so let me know how I can help you. Looking forward to this. Thanks so much.